Hey y'all, so in today's vlog, this is going to be a clean with me. And right now I am taking care of a little bit of laundry in the house. This is actually my set of clothes that I'm doing right now. And I'm getting this into the washer. And I like to check my pockets and make sure I'm not leaving anything behind in my pockets, even though I rarely put anything into my pockets. Yeah, so it's today's vlog. I'm gonna wash my mask. That is the mask that I wear whenever I wear makeup. And I'm telling y'all, most of these clothes are really like workout clothes. Because I did really well with making it to the park pretty much every day this week, running. Now, some of these clothes I'm washing separate because some of them I have to like put on delicate. But the load I'm doing now is just a regular load. So it don't have to go on delicate. Okay. Get this rattle. This is one of my belts. So, how is your day going? How is your morning, your afternoon, your night, whenever you're watching this video? I hope this is going to be a motivational, clean with me video. Okay, so as I clean up, I think I'm going to play some music over the TV because usually when I clean, I like to turn on the TV. I am really big on YouTube, you all, so I'm probably going to watch like other people's YouTube channels. And yeah, so I'm probably going to like not really watch it because I'll be too busy cleaning, but I like to listen to it and kind of look up and glance every now and then. So I'm going to do that. So while I'm doing that, cleaning and watching TV, I'm going to play some music over the video. And I don't know how long this video is going to come out, but I'm probably going to like speed it up just a little bit so that this won't turn into like a 30, 40 or hour-long video. Now, if you all want like 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour-long cleaning videos, just let me know and I'll make it happen, okay?
Bye.